Well, this is a new directive that has now been put in place with the Assam government deciding to ban serving and consumption of beef in restaurants, in hotels and in public places. This announcement came in from Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and his cabinet, which amended the existing law to incorporate the new provisions. The existing restrictions applied only to areas within a 5-kilometer radius of a temple, while the Chief Minister says that has now been extended to other areas as well.
कि असम में गोमांस कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट और होटल में सर्व नहीं होगा और साथ में कोई पब्लिक फंक्शन में भी या पब्लिक प्लेस में भी ये सर्व नहीं किया जाएगा। सो ये हमने कंप्लीटली होटल, रेस्टोरेंट और पब्लिक प्लेस में बीफ को हमें कंजम्पशन ऑफ बीफ, मांस को खाना हमने आज से बंद करने का निर्णय लिया। पहले हमारा ये निर्णय था कि मंदिर का 5 किलोमीटर तक।
Now let's talk about as far as the consumption of beef, which is not illegal in Assam, but the Assam Cattle Preservation Act of 2021 regulates the transportation and slaughter of all cattle and the sale of beef and beef products in the state. With further expansion of the ambit of the curbs, the opposition is now up in arms against this move.
मंत्री बिस्वा शर्मा जी से कहेंगे कि स्मगलिंग के बारे में तो आप आसाम में बहुत जानते हो, पूरा जो वहां का जाल है स्मगलिंग का आपको पता है। आपने बैन तो लगा दिया, लेकिन जो एक्सपोर्ट है काऊ बीफ का भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में, उसको कब रोकोगे? तारीख बता देना।
मुर्गी खाएगा या सब्जी खाएगा, इसको लेके कैबिनेट में डिसीजन लेना मैं समझता हूं इसका ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस मैं नहीं रखता, मैं नहीं देता। अब बीजेपी देखिए कैसे मतलब वो है, पार्टी है। गोवा में बीजेपी बीफ बंद नहीं कर सकते। वहां बीजेपी गोवा में बीफ बंद करेंगे तो एक दिन में गिर जाएगी उनकी सरकार। नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हर स्टेट में बीजेपी की सरकार है या मिलीजुली उनकी सहयोगी पार्टी की सरकार है। अरुणाचल बोलिए, मिजोरम बोलिए, नागालैंड बोलिए, मणिपुर है, मेघालय है, हर स्टेट में बीफ वहां के लोग खाते हैं, खिलाते हैं और वहां कोई पाबंदी नहीं, कुछ नहीं है, सब बीजेपी की सरकार है, वहां नहीं कर सकते। तो यहां आसाम में कैटल प्रिजर्वेशन बिल लाके इस तरह कुछ कंडीशन लगाया तो हम उसको ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते।
Now, this is how the opposition has been reacting on the priorities on what it has been calling of the Assam government on this latest regulation that has now been put in place, where the consumption of beef and non-consumption of beef rather has now been extended when it comes to public places, hotels and restaurants as well. As we talk about when it comes to this political ban, the political furor that has been growing over this ban, let's tell you exactly where beef or beef products now cannot be consumed. Can't serve or consume beef in hotels, in restaurants, in public places and at religious gatherings as well. So when it comes to the ban that was previously restricted to areas when it comes to several kilometers of a radius of a temple, this has now been extended, the ambit of which has now been extended to public places like in hotels, in restaurants, in public places and at religious gatherings as well. Now we are hearing already on part of the opposition how they have been reacting over this, saying that this is the misplaced priority on part of the Assam government with the political storm brewing in Assam over the beef ban, as the opposition leaders have been squarely targeting the Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. A Congress MLA has also accused the BJP of attacking constitutional mandates, claiming that the ban discriminates against Muslims and lower caste Hindus, Christians and Buddhists, as he is alleged that this move is rooted in RSS ideology and violates the right to food choice.
BJP party ab initio has been attacking on our constitution and constitutional mandates. Our constitution has given freedom to every people of India to have their choice of food, to have their choice of dress, and it is not new. They are following the principles of RSS. They are from the very beginning against the Muslim population and also against the low caste Hindus and Christians, Buddhists, and on the same footing they have taken this decision. This is against our constitution and a scathing attack on our constitution.
So this is how, when it comes to the opposition parties, that they have been reacting as far as the Assam government bans beef in hotels and public places. However, when it comes to the current law on beef consumption was strong, but there was earlier no prohibition on the consumption of beef at restaurants and even at social gathering. Now, this decision that has been taken at the meeting of the state's cabinet, where the chief minister himself announced that they have decided to ban serving and consumption of beef in restaurants, in hotels and in public places. Let me go across to Anamika, who's joining us live right now. Anamika, as far as... All right, we have Nyamika also joining us live right now. Let me get in a word from her. Nyamika, good morning. We are looking at how the opposition in the state of Assam has already been questioning this move, this decision that has been taken up, saying that when it comes to the right of food choice, that should be left to the individual and not the government that should decide.
Well, indeed, the criticism has already been started on the part of the opposition leaders, as this is a crucial decision which is being taken on the part of the Assam government, as the beef is now being completely banned in the state of Assam, as earlier there were, as per the existing laws, the beef was not being allowed to be served or for any kind of consumption within the 5-kilometer areas nearby the temples, but now it is being extended to the entire state, and for that reason now the opposition parties are slamming the Assam government in particular. And if we talk about the Congress party, then the Congress MLA, one of the MLAs, as well as the Congress party's MP, Mr. Gaurav Gogoi, both have already started attacking the chief minister, as saying they have basically saying that this shows the RSS ideology, as this is just to target one particular community, and for that reason this decision has been taken. And in fact, they have also said that this will not just impact the Muslim community in particular, but also the lower caste Hindus, Christians, Buddhists. All of these people are also going to be impacted because of this decision from the Assam cabinet to ban beef in particular. And for that reason, in fact, the Congress party's MP, Mr. Gaurav Gogoi, has also targeted the government by saying that it is just because the chief minister wants to divert the attention from his failures, from the failures of his government, and that is the reason why such kind of decision is being taken by the Assam cabinet.
Restrictions that were already in place, but this time now, when it comes to the ambit of these restrictions, that has now been extended with this latest move that has been announced and the meeting that was taken up in the Assam cabinet. The BJP, however, has refuted the objection, saying that the restrictions are meant only to be respectful towards a certain community, and if someone in the Congress has a problem, they can go to Pakistan. Responding to equal measure to dare the extension of the restrictions by the Assam minister, as far as Piyush Harika has said, the Congress says it is welcome the ban once it is implemented nationwide.
ये बहुत ही एक हिस्टोरिक निर्णायक ऐतिहासिक एक सिद्धांत है. आई सपोर्ट द स्टैंड ऑफ द कैबिनेट और आने वाले समय में इसको कम्युनल एक तरीके से न देखे, एक रेस्पेक्ट टू द अदर रिलीजियंस फेथ. अगर कोई खाता है तो भी प्राइवेट अपने हाउस में खा सकता है, उसमें हम किसी को रोक नहीं है.
The Assam government has banned beef in their state. I would ask the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji that why ban only in Assam? They should ban beef throughout the country, and they just want to score a point in doing it in Assam, but they should apply this rule throughout the country. I would welcome it.
Well, row over Assam beef ban that has exploded further, with the BJP sharpening its attack on the opposition Congress, asking why is the Congress party opposing beef ban in the first place, where the BJP is accusing the Congress of appeasement politics.
Assam Chief Minister has ensured a complete ban on the public consumption of beef in restaurants or any kinds of gatherings. Now the question is that why is the Congress party opposing this ban? Gaurav Gogoi and other leaders of Congress, as usual in the name of vote bank politics, do not have any care or concern for the sentiments of the majority community, the Hindus. They only want to indulge in vote bank politics. And it was your challenge, it was your argument that this thing should be done. Now when it has been done, you are opposing it. It shows that for Tushtikarana politics, for vote bank politics, Congress can go to any extent to harm and hurt Hindu sentiments.
Right. So appeasement politics, Nyamika, that has been the charge coming in from the BJP side, saying that the ban that was already in place, it is only as far as the restrictions are concerned, have been extended further.
Indeed, a war of words has already been erupted, as on one side the Congress party is saying that this decision is basically a target upon the constitution, as it is basically impacting the constitutional rights of the citizens of Assam, which gives them a right to for the choice of food they want to have. And for that reason, the Congress party is also saying that this shows the RSS ideology which the Assam Chief Minister is trying to impose upon the citizens of Assam. But on the other side, the BJP is also attacking the Congress party by saying that why they are not ready to accept this decision which is being taken on the part of the Assam government, as the BJP is basically alleging that this shows that the Congress party is indulging into the appeasement politics, as they want to appease one particular community, and that is the Muslim community, and that is the reason why they are questioning this decision of the Assam government to ban completely of having any kind of selling or consumption of beef within the state of Assam. But on the other side, the Congress party is also saying that this is being done on the part of the Chief Minister just to camouflage his failures of the government, and that is the reason why such kind of decision is being taken on the part of the cabinet of Assam.
All right, Nyamika, thank you very much for joining in. Of course, the war of words that has begun over this issue as far as the beef ban restrictions are concerned, that have now been extended to public places, to religious gatherings, to even hotels, and also to restaurants as well. We'll get you more on that. Let's in the meantime shift focus and talk about